Realme launched their new Realme Buds T300 at Rs 2,299 with 12.4mm drivers and 30 dB active noise cancellation. And we got to try them for some time. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and here's our first look at the newly launched Realme Buds T300. So let's get started. The TWS earbuds come in two color options, stylish black and youth white. The case sports a matte finish with a dual tone design. We have the Realme branding on the front along with the LED indicator. The buds sport a glossy finish with silicone earplugs. Each bud offers a music playback time of up to 8 hours and up to 4 hours of calling, according to Realme. Realme Buds T300 offer up to 40 hours of total runtime with case and buds combined, according to the brand. Realme claims a 10-minute charge would give you up to 7 hours of playback. Realme Buds T300 have touch controls, come equipped with 12.4mm drivers, use Bluetooth 5.3 and also have a 50 millisecond low latency game mode. The buds can be controlled or managed through the Realme Link app. At Rs 2,299, would you buy the Realme Buds T300? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgets 360. See you guys in the next one.